Hello everyone. Today we will be learning about development of inner ear. Inner ear is also known as labyrinth. Now, before moving into the development, we need to have basic anatomy concept of about the anatomy of inner ear. Inner ear, we have two structures: membranous labyrinth, which is lie in the inner aspect, and the bony labyrinth, which lie in the outer aspect. Now, the fluid inside the bony labyrinth is known as perilymph. We can see marked by red color. The fluid that is present inside the membranous labyrinth is known as endolymph, marked by green color. Now, keeping this concept in our mind, let's see how membranous labyrinth develops. Among the three parts of the ear, that is internal inner ear, middle ear and external ear, inner ear are the first one to develop. When it develops, during the early fourth week of development, the surface ectoderm that covers the developing hindbrain swells, condenses locally to form otic placote. Now see, this swelling is known as otic placote in the surface ectoderm. These otic placotes soon infascinate the underlying mesoderm and form otic pit. This is the otic pit. This depression is known as otic pit. Now, the margin of otic pit fuse together to form otic vesicle. You can see this is otic pit, this undergo infascination, and finally their margin fuses and give rise to otic vesicle. Hence, basically we can see that first otic placote is formed in the surface ectoderm, then it undergo infascination to form otic pit, and finally otic vesicles is formed. Now, the question arises, what are the another name for otic vesicles? And these are the questions that is frequently asked in MCQs. Otic vesicles is also known as auditory vesicles. It is very easy to remember, or autocyst. Autocyst is also known as autocyst. We need to keep one concept in mind, that otic vesicle is the primordium membranous labyrinth. Now let's see how bony labyrinth develops. The mesenchyme around the membranous labyrinth condenses into cartilage to form otic capsule. Here we have seen that first otic placote, then otic pit, then otic vesicles. But here the mesenchyme condenses to form otic capsule. Now this otic capsule undergo ossification to form bony labyrinth. This cartilaginous otic capsule undergo ossification to form bony labyrinth. Now this kind of ossification is known as inchondral ossification. This is also the question that is frequently asked in MCQ. Inchondral ossification. We need to remember this name. Now we see this is very important concept written here. Bony labyrinth covering different parts of membrane labyrinth has different name. Let's see here. The bony labyrinth covering cochlear duct, which is also known as scala media, is known as bony cochlea. The bony labyrinth covering utricle and saccule is known as vestibule, and the bony labyrinth covering semicircular canal is known as semicircular canals of bony labyrinth. Now, in next video, we will see further development.